Hello family, and welcome back to our wild Ohio. Today, we're not just exploring a place, we're stepping through a portal. Imagine a world where the veil between heaven and earth thins, where the land itself breathes with memory and spirit. That place is real, and it's right here in the heart of Ohio. We're about to journey through the Newark Earthworks, a masterpiece of sacred geometry built 2,000 years ago. These aren't just ruins, they're revelations. Long before concrete and steel reshaped our landscape, the Hopewell culture gathered here. They didn't build for conquest. They built to commune. With 7 million cubic feet of soil, lifted one basketful at a time. They sculpted massive circles, squares, and octagons, all aligned with the rhythms of the moon and the cosmos. This wasn't just construction. It was a testament to human hands, hearts, and a profound understanding of the universe. Picture this, 30 acres encircled by a massive earthen wall and a deep interior ditch. It rises from the land like a giant, steady heartbeat. What's truly magical is that there are no paved walkways inside the circle. You're meant to walk the earth as the ancients did. I dare you, if the weather allows, to take off your shoes. Feel the soil beneath your feet, the wind on your skin, and listen to the profound silence that speaks louder than any words. This isn't a place to simply observe. It's a place to participate, to remember that you are part of a story that began millennia ago. But the real interpretation happens outside, in the curve of the wall and the play of the light. Listen closely, and you might just hear your own soul echo back. Now, prepare to be amazed. A 20-acre circle is perfectly joined to a massive 50-acre octagon by a narrow sacred passageway. This is no accident. This is celestial choreography frozen in Earth. Every 18.6 years, during a major lunar standstill, the moon rises in perfect alignment, its light shining directly through the passageway connecting the two shapes. The Hopewell people knew this. They built for it, aligning their lives and their ceremonies with the grand dance of the heavens. Stand in that passageway and imagine the moonlight flooding through it. Feel that cosmic alignment, not just in the sky, but deep within your own soul. It's a profound reminder that we too are a part of that cosmic dance. And you can bring your furry companions along. Dogs are welcome at all the sites, as long as they are leashed and you clean up after them. They're part of the circle of life, too. But please, walk gently and never climb the walls. These structures have stood for 2,000 years. Let's ensure they stand for 2,000 more. If you want to dive even deeper, you can join free special tours with Senior World Heritage Archaeologist Brad Lepper. He hosts them at 12:30 p.m. on the first and third Fridays of the month, from April through October. The first Friday tour meets at the Great Circle Museum, and the third Friday tour is at the Octagon Visitor Center. There are also free Octagon tours Wednesday through Sunday at noon, and regular Great Circle tours Wednesday through Saturday at 2 p.m. General admission is just $10 for adults, with discounts for seniors and kids. And members of the Ohio History Connection get a discount too. No registration is needed, just show up, breathe deep, and be present. Teachers, this is an incredible opportunity for your students. Field trips are tailored for Ohio's 4th grade standards, but can be adapted for any age. It's a 3-hour journey into history, geometry, and culture with guided tours and hands-on activities. It costs just $5 per student, and teachers and chaperones are free. There are even picnic shelters available, perfect for lunch after a morning of discovery. These shelters are open to everyone from mid-April to early September on a first-come, first-served basis, continuing the ancient tradition of gathering in this sacred space. The Newark Earthworks are part of a larger network called the Hopewell Ceremonial Earthworks. People traveled here from all over North America, bringing precious materials as offerings. Obsidian from the Rocky Mountains, shells from the Gulf of Mexico, mica from the Appalachians, and copper from Michigan. This was a continental crossroads of culture and spirit. Tragically, much of the original complex was lost to development, but thanks to the foresight of Licking County citizens, the Great Circle and the Octagon endure. And in September 2023, their global significance was finally recognized when they, along with other Hopewell sites, were inscribed on the UNESCO World Heritage List, placing them alongside wonders like the Pyramids of Giza and the Great Wall of China. These sites remain sacred to American Indian communities and are cherished by all who walk their paths. The Newark Earthworks aren't just a destination, they are a meditation, a reminder of our connection to something vast, ancient, and beautiful. If you feel called to become part of this living legacy, consider volunteering to help with maintenance, education, and storytelling. So come walk the sacred geometry of the ancients. Come listen to the whispers of the earth. Come home to yourself.
Hey fam, if our videos speak to you, don't just scroll by. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. We're here to build something real with this community, and hearing from you means everything.
It's not just a structure, it's a sanctuary. As you arrive, you'll find the Newark Earthworks Museum perched on a gentle rise, inviting you to step into a space where time dissolves and your spirit awakens. The museum itself is open Thursday through Saturday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Sweetheart. Hi, honey. You look like the dog from Call of the Wild. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi. How do you do? You smell my babies. What's the name?
His name is Snoop.
Snoop?
Yeah, like Snoop Dogg.
Oh my goodness. You are gorgeous. Oh, he's beautiful. Hey. Beautiful. How old are you?
He's only 2.
2? Oh, you're big already.
Well, thank you for letting us come
You
in.
are so welcome. I'm so glad that you came today. It was very nice to talk to you, Snoop. It's so nice to meet you.
Yeah, you can pet him.
It's nice to see you.
Hello. Do I smell like puppy? Yes.
Okay, boys.
You too. Come on, Snoop.
Well, this brings us to the end of another episode, my friends. It's always a pleasure to share this journey with you, and I truly hope you found some valuable insights along the way. If you'd like to stay connected, I invite you to join our family by signing up for our newsletter at ourwildohio.com, so we can keep you up to date on everything we have planned. Also, it helps support the channel and doesn't cost you anything, but it helps us more than you know. We're also dropping bombs of knowledge over on Instagram, TikTok, and X, so don't miss out on the unique content that you'll only see there. Now get out there and enjoy our wild Ohio, and until we meet again, stay wild, my friends. Thank you for watching Our Wild Ohio. It's support from viewers like you who make it all possible. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Join our family and become a member of Our Wild Ohio by visiting the link in the description below. And until we meet again, stay wild, my friends.